We are going into a building from 1900. There's the address of the building right there. I wonder what we're gonna see.
Need to find some office that can let us in. It's all lawyers. That might be a bit difficult, but let's try the top one. Hi, can you come in and keep the elevator on? Tack.
See how nice people are here? Wow, look at that. Wow. Look at those buttons. Buttons. Here we go to 4. Awesome. Here at 4. Now we'll go back down to S. You said this beauty is from 1900, right?
Yeah, but that's been more nice.
It'll go up. I can send it up and watch it go.
Ride it.
Okay, ride it. That's even better. There goes Alex in the elevator. Now that's an elevator. Tinklebird says, a huge thank you to all our patrons.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more. And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.